Hey guys, is that my YouTube fam again? Okay, I know you guys asked for an updated house tour, so coming. Okay, so this time we've actually decided to go through the back because some of you had asked me that you wanted to see like just everything and like what the house looks like right now. So I just thought to bring you through the back. So this is one entrance and this is another entrance right here. You can come in either ways. This leads to the kitchen. But let me just take you guys around so you could just see what it looks like, okay? So this door leads to the garage you actually saw outside. So if you want access to it, you can either go that way or you can come this way. And then this is the backyard. Yeah, see, this backyard is one of the things I don't really like so much about this house because it takes a lot. It's going to take a lot. You can see the grass, like it's not looking nice at all. But we're going to do something about it. But like honestly, it's like easy, steady. I'm not trying to do too much at once. So yeah. So that's what the back looks like. There's actually another part here, but I don't know if you want to see that. Okay, but that's like another part. Like you can come in from there. Actually, see guys, there's just a whole lot going on at the back. But this time around, I'm going to take you inside. We're going to go through the conservatory, okay? We couldn't open it the last time, so let's do that right now, okay? Hey guys, so this is the conservatory, so you can come in. So nothing much has happened, okay? Nothing much has happened. You can see that. See, moving boxes. It's been 2 weeks now since we moved in, so we're just trying to do a lot. And like I said, I'm taking my time because okay, it's not like anything house is not like today, tomorrow. Okay. So but the conservatory is still empty, nothing much. We actually stayed here to pack every single thing. I actually just cleared this out yesterday and I have like my treadmill here, probably be working out here. And yeah, so let's get into the house now. So when you open the door, you guys already know things have changed, but all that has changed is just the furnitures, okay? So I've changed the flooring. I've actually added furnitures like I told you guys, but I did not buy any new furniture. I just took every other thing from like the other house and I moved it here. Right now, I'm not buying any furniture for now until I know what I really want. Let's get into the house right now. So the other time we went through the front door, so let's go through here now, okay? Hey guys. So when you work in, the first thing you see is the dining table, okay? So the dining table is this one. Like I said, using everything from the old house. But currently I'm working, I use this as my workspace now. That's because my office table is in here now. So I'm using this place and that's why it looks like this, okay? But then over here you'd have the bar. We've also had this one as well. Like every furniture here is just from the old house. It's literally nothing new. So we have this bar here, wines and all of that. You know, I just kept it here because I just thought it would be better here. But in the previous house, I had it like in the parlor, in the living room, okay? But yeah, I just had to leave this one here. And then when you come over here this time, we have the parlor, the living room, whatever you like to call it. Again, I still left everything the same way, just put all of these things together, the mirror, like everything is just the same. I know you guys never saw my previous home, but yeah, everything is just the same. So I'm just utilizing every single thing. This door would lead us to the passage, like stairs area, but we're not going to do that now. And I'm just going to go now and show you guys the kitchen. Yeah, so that's it. Just before I show you the kitchen, whoa. Okay guys, I'm just being naughty now. Okay, so let's go. So after the living room, this is everybody's favorite part, and I think this is also my favorite part, if I'm going to be honest. And guys, that is the kitchen. Guys, like this kitchen makes me so happy. I can't even begin to tell. This kitchen is great. Like lots of storage, guys, lots of storage, and that's what I really love. Like I haven't even utilized all the storage in this kitchen. Like it makes me really happy. Like just knowing that Just knowing that there's so much storage for me, okay? And yeah, we had to fit in our fridge here. Guys, I was so happy that our fridge could fit into this hole. Like, if you could remember the other video that like this space was made for the fridge, and I had this fear like this fridge may not enter, and that would just be something crazy. Either make us change our fridge or find another location. But I'm so excited that it worked. Okay, so that's all for the kitchen now. I know that's everyone's favorite part, but that's okay. And then here we have the storage. Well, that place looks crazy, so no. And then let's get to the passage. Okay guys, so can you see how like bright this place is now? You can see how like open and everything. All I just did was like a little tweak. I changed the color from that purple color to like white, just to open up the space. And trust me, it really did a thing. And guys, the flooring, okay? Can you see the flooring? Like the flooring is like the game changer for me. I had to change it as well to like it's white, but it's not tiles actually, so it's like laminate floors, but the ones that look like tiles. If you want contact for that, I'm your plug, okay? I have it. But yeah, that's what I've done to this space. So it just makes it open. Nothing much has happened. I actually plan on doing like a decoration here, have like cover here and everything, but again, I'm just taking my time. And then you guys know about, like, of course, the utility room. It looks like what it's supposed to look like right now, so I'm not trying to show you guys so much about it because we have laundries and laundries and laundries going on right now, so that's fine. And what else? Okay, yeah, the downstairs toilet. Again, I'm just trying to show you guys like things that have been upgraded, but nothing much has happened here, so there's nothing to show you, okay? And yeah, so that was the door we came back from. Then guys, I have something sweet to show you, okay? So I changed my ruggings, and I actually needed I wanted to do like the runner stairs, but I couldn't get myself to do it because it wasn't practical for like a UK house. So I came up with something, guys. Come and see, come see, come see, come see. Guys, look at my stairs. Like, I really, really love it. Like, my stairs look so good. Like, guys, can you see what I've done here? So I had this middle part here, like a different color, and then this part a different color, just to give that illusion of a runner stairs. And I love it. Like, everyone who has come to this house, I think like people really, really, really like this, and trust me, I love it as well. But yeah, let's go upstairs. Okay, so right here is our bedroom, and there is no bed, okay? But you guys, look at the flooring. We changed the flooring. It's no longer rug like the other video. It's now the flooring. The reason why there's no bed here is that you get to order our bed, and we will. We're currently sleeping in the visitors room right now, but that's fine. So this is what has changed here. And then nothing much. The bathroom still remains the same. I actually plan on doing an upgrade to the bathroom, but yeah, it's just the same thing. So nothing much to show you. And yeah, guys, and this part, I really like this part of the house. This is our closet. Okay, so when you come in here, is his and her situation going on. Having my makeup table here, yeah, and stuff here. Like, this is just like the place where we keep things. I love this room really much. Like, it's just a place where I just come, dress up. I like the fact that I now have space to do that. And yeah, so that's really good for me. And yeah, guys, we changed the flooring for this part. It was raw, so the flooring changed too. And then every other part of the house, this is the bathroom. Nothing much has changed, so I'm not trying to show so much about that. But yeah, you can just look at the bathroom. Nothing much has changed. And the bathroom still remains the same. Nothing much has changed, but we actually changed the floor as well. If you can remember, it was like brown, but I wasn't having it, so I changed it to this color as well. Gives the towel situation, but it's not towel, okay? And I really like the change I made here. But that's pretty much the only thing I did to the bathroom for now. And the other rooms, we have this bed in here. No one is here at the moment, but guys, a lot of visitors room. So if you're my friend, come visit me, okay? Anyway, you just change the rugs as well and put our beds here. But this is not the room we're sleeping in, but it's just an extra bed we have. And then the fourth room here, nothing much is going on here, guys. Everywhere is empty. It's just the rugs as well. I changed the rugs too, but nothing much to see here. And then let's get to the second floor. Okay, so on the second floor, this is where we sleep right now at the moment. This is also going to be another visitor's room. We're using this right now. There was no point for us, like, putting our beds there in our own room and then changing it when the new bed comes. So we just decided that we'd sleep here for now while we wait for our bed. So yeah, nothing much has happened. Oh, I need to catch my breath. Each time I walk down these stairs, it's not easy, guys. Oh my god, I'm so unfit. Like, it's not easy. Like, I think only the six bed is for the week. Try climbing the stairs. Like, imagine you lose something and you have to go downstairs and come up again. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Anyway, and then the final room is this one. And guys, as you can see, this is also going to be my office space. I've said it before. My table is yet to come, so that's why it looks like this, and that's why I'm using the dining room for that. And I think that completes the end of this video. You guys, I want to just say thank you so much for the love on my other videos. It's like just having strangers like congratulate you, pray for you, like send you really nice messages for your house, like people that don't even know you, like, and it's so good. And I'm really happy you guys love the house, and I'm just happy about the message, and I really appreciate it. Some of you have asked me videos on how I found this house, what it took me, how much it was, all of those shenanigans and every single thing. I'm going to answer it in a separate video. So I'm going to have like 2 or 3 more videos come up about just talking about the process of the house. I'm happy to help anybody who needs help. Okay. And on that note, I would like to end the video and say thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.